Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp easy guide step by step clearly. To backup WhatsApp, start by opening the app on your device. Once opened, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Next, choose Chat Backup. Here, you will see options. Select your preferred backup frequency. You can choose to backup daily, weekly, monthly, or manually. To backup to Google Drive, tap on Backup to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Make sure to grant WhatsApp permission to access your Google Drive. Next, choose the Google account you want to use for the backup. You can also select whether to include videos in the backup. To start the backup process, tap on Backup. Wait until the backup process is complete. You can see the last backup time displayed on the same screen. To manually initiate a backup, simply tap on Backup again. For iPhone users, the process is similar. Open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings. Then tap on Chats and select Chat Backup. Choose Auto Backup to set your backup frequency. Select your desired frequency from daily, weekly, or monthly. Tap on Backup now to manually start a backup. Ensure you have enough iCloud storage for your backup. Wait for the process to complete and confirm the last backup time. With these steps, you can easily backup your WhatsApp chats and media. This will help secure your conversations and important data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.